Tuesday, December 6th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm Matthew East here with you, and we have a pretty good area of low pressure that will traverse the region tomorrow, and that will bring snow to the higher elevations by tomorrow afternoon. I'll talk about that, plus a good shot of cold air that's coming here as we get toward the end of this week, and then especially over the weekend. It was a cloudy, dreary day yesterday. I actually had kind of what you'd call a soaking drizzle for a good bit of the afternoon yesterday across much of the region, and that's occurring in some spots this morning. That's the Greenville-Spartanburg-Nexrad site, sort of some waves of showers, and even though you don't see a ton on the radar elsewhere across the region, there are still some areas of drizzle and certainly some fog in some spots this morning too. Now, what's going to happen here is you kind of have a lingering area of low pressure parked right about there. There's some upper level energy back in the plains. It'll swing eastward, and that'll really strengthen this low as it moves through the area tomorrow. And there'll be a nice band of precip on the northwest side of that low that moves on through. You'll see that on the modeling in just a second. Look at all the flood products up and down parts of the Ohio and Mississippi River valleys. All the gray shaded counties in the Carolinas, those are dense fog advisories that are in effect this morning. Temperature map, look at that cold air. There are some sub-zero temperatures in parts of the Rockies and the Plain States this morning. Bitterly cold air. And, of course, we won't be that cold, but we will have a pretty good shot of cold air coming, the coldest air so far this season, as we get into the upcoming weekend. In terms of precipitation amounts here, this is what the HPC is forecasting here over the next 5 days. And, of course, most of this is going to occur today and tomorrow. And you're looking at a broad swath of 1 inch plus rains in the mountains and the foothills, and a little bit just under an inch as you get down closer to the I-85 corridor. But the general idea is another pretty good soakings on the way over the next couple of days. Now, here are the day 2 snow probabilities, and these are the chances of at least 4 inches of snow. And the blue outlined areas, that's a slight chance. The green, that's a moderate chance. And so, again, like I mentioned, as the system moves eastward, it will kick over to some pretty heavy wet snow in parts of the mountains of North Carolina and the Virginias as we get into late tomorrow and tomorrow night. Here's the upper levels on the European model, and again, still a broad, positively tilted trough. Notice that trough leaned in that direction, and what will happen is pretty interesting to watch. This is a potent piece of energy on the southern end, and watch this trough sharpen up and turn actually negative tilt by tomorrow. This is tomorrow evening as that upper level disturbance is moving on through, and then we see another piece of energy. You can kind of see it here tomorrow. Watch what happens as we get into the weekend. A pretty good trough overall swinging into the eastern U.S., and that will deliver that cold weekend air. So today it'll be mild, mid and upper 60s, even some 70s in some Piedmont and Sandhills spots today. It's going to be another mild day, clouds, some showers at times. Now, tomorrow, this is the precip from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m., or I should say 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. tomorrow, as this area of low pressure really begins to crank over the region. And notice how the rates of precipitation will then kick up tomorrow afternoon. So there you are tomorrow morning, there you are tomorrow afternoon, as that low really strengthens as it gets closer to the coast. And as that low is tightening up, that's when you'll see this kick over to some snow tomorrow afternoon up in the mountains. And we'll have falling Piedmont and foothills temperatures tomorrow afternoon. So the highs occurring in places like Charlotte, Greensboro, Hickory, up into the mountains. Highs will occur tomorrow morning with falling temperatures tomorrow afternoon. There we are tomorrow evening as that system is pulling away, and this will probably end as a period of snow on up here into parts of Virginia and even parts of Pennsylvania, Maryland, seeing this into some snow. Thereafter, here we are Thursday, kind of a chilly, dry day. We'll see highs Thursday, upper 40s and lower 50s, probably lower 50s on Friday. And then here you are Saturday, that big Canadian high pressure building on down. Saturday looks chilly, some north winds, and I think highs Saturday, and then again on Sunday there, only in the 40s. Morning lows will be well down into the 20s, and if the winds were to relax, I wouldn't be shocked if there were some spots that saw a few teens for lows at some point Sunday or Monday morning. So it's going to be pretty chilly. Monday, GFS keeps us dry, but I wanted to show you one more chart here. That's the GFS Monday afternoon. Here's the European Monday afternoon and evening with another little piece of energy moving our way. And we've been in that kind of pattern where at times there's so much kind of chaotic energy aloft. Every once in a while over the past couple of months, you've seen a system kind of crop up on the modeling that has not been evident until you get 3-4 days in advance of that system. And that might be maybe something the European is sniffing out Monday to Tuesday. We will see. All right, that is it for today's edition of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Stay dry, and God bless.